Okay guys, now that we have learned how you can design the contact us and about us page, let's make a custom page. For example, we have a page of blogs. We already seen how the blogs look like, and we have also linked it to our main home page. Now let's say destinations. I want to customize that. So first of all, just change it right here. So once it is changed, you can add element and you can add the gallery, basically whatever you like. So for example, these are the galleries that you like. It will simply add the gallery for you. And after that, whatever you want to do, you want to adjust the placing, you want to change the settings or how gallery looks, or basically if you want to change the layout as well, you can get all of these amazing layouts right here. So for example, if you want to get creative, you can turn it into something like this. Also, if you want to use some of the stripes, some of the predefined stripes, you can just add a classic stripe, the basic one, and then you can add your pictures, whatever. What this destination page is basically just for the sake of example, but whatever you want to use, this credentials will change according to that. Obviously, if you are designing an information page where you will guide further about it, it will be more of the text based page rather than the image based. So this is how you can define it, guys. You can just play around with basically anything here. Now let me show you an example of a real website. This is the website where we are going to explore, let's say, about the corporate training. Let's say we have the corporate training facility as well. So what's that corporate training? As you can see, this involves a simple page right here. If you check the about us section, it also has a very simple page, but if you go to the courses, it will be more fancy than the previous ones. So contact us page, similarly, it will be designed something like this. So as you can see in this website, it's although a very basic website, but as you can see, it's a live website. It's a working website. So you can easily create something like that. Depends on your creativity. So you can take the inspiration of any kind of website and then design it. Just practice on one particular website. You can just try to replicate that, and then you will get to know about all the options. So like I said, you can attach anything here. For example, in the destinations, you want to insert some of the gallery, and it should be in a stylish style. So you can see that we have some amazing 3D carousels as well that you can drag and drop simply like here. And let's delete the older one, and this is how it looks. All right. Now let's add the elements. You can also attach the video and the music if you want to. So for example, if you want to attach it for the video box, we have the different kind of video box here, and we have video players as well. We have explored this one as well. So if you want to add a complete grid of the recent tours that we conducted, let's say we are a travel agency which organizes the tours, we can add all of these tours and all of these services that we offer here on our page. So again, it depends on your creativity. It's best to follow some of the website that is relevant with your business, and you can observe that website to create your own. So that's about it. This is how you can easily define and customize each page in Wix. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.